Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here. Today we're back with another video from us to you.
Yes, and this time we are inspired by another Disney resort that we absolutely love around Magic Kingdom at the Contemporary.
This is the next in the series of Disney food remakes. Trying to give us a little bit of that nostalgia until we can make it back in the park. Yeah. So today we're making
the famous avocado toast from the Wave,
which we are absolutely in love about. We brag about to every other Disney restaurant we go to about how good it is at the Wave. We've been called out of it before in the restaurant,
at the Grand Floridian Cafe,
about bragging how great the Wave's avocado toast is. So we're gonna go try to make it here in the house, see how well we do, and you guys let us know.
Be sure to toast.
You heard the girl. Here we go with our avocado toast deliciousness. All done and ready for enjoyment.
I don't know if it tastes like the Wave, but from a look perspective, I feel like it looks just like the dish that we had.
It's pretty close.
This house has smelled like this caramelized onions for about a day now because we did the onions ahead of time.
Yes.
It smells good. See if it compares to those caramelized onions at the Wave.
Yeah, I will say before we eat this gives me a newfound appreciation for Disney chefs. Like, we review a lot of food and understand that while we rate the food, the rating isn't a reflection on the skill or the time that the chefs put into it. There's different tastes and different palates for everything. That's based on our tastes and preferences. An educated guest to maybe help you decide where you want to go, but never be afraid to make up your own mind. And this takes work, and they do this day in and day out consistently, and we don't show them enough love.
We really
don't. The chefs do so much work, and this is not easy for somebody that doesn't know anything about cooking.
Yeah, I guess that's true. I mean, it all in all, it took probably, after caramelizing the onions, this whole thing took about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So even with filming, it was very short.
But plating and everything else, that takes skill.
Yeah, plating is a skill.
And Disney food is definitely what we consider an art.
Food at Disney is absolutely art.
But enough gab, I want to see my mouth right now.
All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm going to put the plate down.
Okay. Ooh, you're going to make a mess of this one.
Yep. But the greens are like all stuck together like
beautiful.
This one. It is like twice as big as the one we had at the Wave.
Yeah, but you know, gluttons.
Yes.
Bread dink.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
That was so good.
I'm sitting back at the Wave. Wow.
Flooding back. All it's missing is like an antioxidant lemonade or a mimosa.
Oh, or Mai Tai. Ooh, or the fish bowl.
A fish bowl. We absolutely love the Wave. If you guys hadn't noticed, we do a lot of reviews there. We have done breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's breakfast and dinner.
Yes. No, we've done breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
And we absolutely love it there. The place, the menu changes frequently.
Seasonally.
And it's been very, very rare that we've gone there and got something that we didn't at least love. Not even just like, love every time we go. And if you haven't gone to the Wave, you are doing yourself a disservice. You need to go. Especially
their brunch.
Yes.
This is just one of 2 amazing pieces of vegan options that they had available at the Wave. This one was my favorite. And I think it was the favorite of the night, of the day.
I would say that the Wave obviously is still a little bit better than ours, but I would give the one that we made definitely a 4 out of 5 plus.
I would say that we, if we didn't kill it, we were like right there.
Yeah. I think the hardest part maybe for us was probably the onion jam.
Figuring out, because to me, I had like a peanut butter taste when I had it. When you taste the avocado with the caramelized onion,
it makes sense.
You do get that taste. So now I understand why I tasted that. And that whole time we were caramelizing the onions, I was just like, oh my gosh, this isn't gonna taste right. We're not caramelizing it right. We're not seasoning it right. But I think
it turned out really good.
It turned out really good.
Yeah, so. I'm very impressed with this. I absolutely love it. Have you guys made avocado toast? Leave your avocado toast recipes in the description. We buy a lot of avocados. We don't ever know what to do with it other than guacamole for the most part and tacos. We would love to try more avocado toast.
Absolutely.
And we're definitely going to be doing more Disney remakes. If there's ones that you would like to see, of course, the comments is always a place to leave that kind of stuff. Hit us up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this.
We have new content 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
So excited for this avocado toast. Like, you have no idea. And I thought the best avocado toast was at Centertown Market.
3 out of 5 plus.
I think this is going to give it a run for its money.
Okay.
Oh my god. You got sweet, you got creamy, you got savory. This is the most perfectly balanced toast. So good.
So these are like little avocado toast bites, and like they do not shirk the avocado. If you like avocado, clearly this is the avocado toast for you. It's like a full, an avocado Lunchable. But it's good. It's really good. I'm not a huge fan of avocado toast, but like this is like the perfect like breakfast for the park. All the flavors are there without being too heavy. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5 plus, actually. I would definitely order to eat this. It's messy, but it's so worth it.